Hey y'all, it's Brooke here from Large Family Homestead, and today we're going to show you guys how to make some super cheap trellises. As you can see, we have a lot of these little pea seedlings, and they have their little fingers that are ready to grab onto trellises. Some of them are already starting to fall over, it looks like. So we're going to build some cheap trellises out of welded wire and some wood, and we'll see how well they hold these up. Alright, so pretty much all I did was I took a board of wood you probably saw there was a little point cut at the end. That just makes it easier to put in the garden, but that's not necessary. And I just stapled welded wire fencing to the poles. Now if you want to make this a little bit more sturdy, it's pretty sturdy. Like, it's not gonna go anywhere, but maybe if you were trellising something a little heavier, you might want it to be a little bit more sturdy. So you could, a couple ideas, is you could pinch two boards together in between the welded wire, or you could screw it to the bottom of your garden bed if you're doing it in a garden bed. Just a couple ideas to make it a little bit more sturdy, but because these are just pea plants, they're not going to be that heavy, so I think that they'll be fine on this. If I was doing melons or something maybe a little heavier, make it a little bit more sturdy, and then that's it. I'll probably make a couple more of these. I'll probably use some different kinds of wood because it's not really, like, I don't think it matters what kind of wood you use. Just anything that you can staple the welded wire to. It does help to have a staple gun when you're doing this. So yeah, we have a few pea plants there next to that one. I might transplant a few over so that they can reach it. And then I'll probably do a couple more. And then I think we'll be good on that. So yeah. Alright, built 3 of them. Look nice, pretty sturdy. I have all my little pea plants set up to trellis on them. I had to move a couple of them. They weren't in a good spot. I would have had to build more than 3 trellises. But I watered them in good. They don't look like they're wilting, so I think we did okay. So yeah, that's it. I forgot to mention, if you guys want to show us your DIY trellis ideas, send us photos at largefamilyhomesteadtx@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.